it's only through the sort of analysis that we do that we know that this is a recession that's really hitting young people much more than others, that's actually really hitting low earners much more than others, and that's going to have a big consequence for the way we respond to it. It really matters that it's certain kinds of young people who are really missing out on education, and that ought to help us determine where to put money into the education system and how to focus that going forward. I think it really matters that the official statistics are, according to our work, mismeasuring inflation, which has spiked significantly more than you can see in the official statistics, and that might well influence government in terms of thinking about how it should increase benefits, for example, over the next few years. And the more general work on the public finances and our modelling of local government finances, I think, is certainly more sophisticated than anything else going on outside of government. And we know that government itself is taking that sort of work very seriously. If you get the allocations to local authorities wrong, we've also looked, by the way, at allocations to universities. If you get those wrong, I mean, there are two ways of getting those wrong. You can either spend more than you need in order to make sure that no one goes bust, or you can give money to the wrong institutions and still have organisations going bust. It's really only when you get into that micro detail, local authority by local authority, university by university, household type by household type, that you can design effective policy, and policy that's not wasting more money than is necessary. So that kind of work on very micro data, absolutely up-to-date data, and with the sorts of techniques that we've honed over many years, it really does go straight into the policy-making process. And the policy-making process really is dangerous if they don't have that kind of information available.